Welcome back once again. Now, thank you for making the right decision to join us here. And we are going to start the whole thing. First of all, before you can start, you need a reseller account. Okay, you need a reseller account in order to start a web hosting business. Now, you know something? I will not recommend you to any other web hosting provider but CloudHost. Okay, as I said earlier, we have the cheapest reseller package here. And let's first of all go to let me first click here and go to the billing system here, and we have this reseller package as a reseller package. Okay, so just click anywhere and it will take you. You can even, let me go back here. When you click even WordPress here, it will take you to the reseller as our billing system, and you can see the reseller package here. Click on that. Good. So which one do you want to go for? Okay, so which of the package you want to go for? I don't know, but you can look at all the resources in a given package, under the given package, and you can see 20 cPanel, 25 gigabyte NVMe storage, and then we have 30, and the price too is 2000, and this one is 50 cPanel account. The size, the storage is 100 gigabyte. For this training, I will go for this one. Okay, good. That is the that package. Okay, so as I said earlier, this package, any of the package comes with a free domain name. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. I can register a free domain, but this is my platform. I don't want to buy a new domain, so I will use existing domain, but I would advise you to go with this one so that you will not pay for the domain. It's part of the package. Okay, it's part of the amount that you are paying for. So I will go for use own domain, that I want to use my existing domain. So I will enter the domain name here. I want to use this domain, that is cloudhostgh.online. This is the domain that I want to use. Okay, I've already pointed this domain, the name server to this platform, so I don't have any problem. I can just click here, use. Okay, so I'm here. As I said earlier, this is my platform. I don't want to pay for that. Okay, so I'm going to use a coupon code, and this coupon code I actually created that code for myself, not for anyone. So I'm the only person who can use the code, and that is okay. So this is what I'm going to do. Here I have to either go with existing accounts or create a new account. Okay, for this tutorial I already have account here, so I'll go with existing account. So I'll click here, enter my email, and then my password here. Okay, so I will then log in here. Okay, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so I've already I'm on my dashboard now. I can continue from here. So right now I'm going to enter the coupon code, and that is reseller. Okay, the reason is that this is my platform and I don't want to pay for that. Okay, so I'm using this coupon code for that. So I will then click here, validate, and it's successful. Now I will pay 0. Okay, Ghana cedis. I will proceed with checkout. So I'm sorry, you're not allowed to use this coupon code. It will not even work for you. Yeah. Okay, so it's successful. Everything is successful. I can click continue to client area, and you can see at first it was 3 accounts. Now I have 4 services. Okay, and this is my reseller package. This is the day I bought this package. Okay, the date and every information is here. I can just click here to go through that. I can see that is active, and SS certificate is valid, and everything, all the information that I need is here. Okay, right now I can just click here to log into cPanel. Okay, so this is my cPanel, and as I said earlier, I don't like this white interface. I want to go with this. It's still loading, so let's wait. Good. So I want to go with the black and white. I like that. Okay. Good. The black and white interface. This is my cPanel, and you can see this package is a reseller. Let's see the package. Let's see if you can identify the package name. I'm sorry, you're not seeing that yet. No problem. I'll work on that. So let's check if this package is a reseller package. Okay, so let me go up here. Okay, so I have to fix that. I think there's issue here that I need to fix. Thank you for watching our next video. We will continue from there. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.